I'm Nagesh. I'm a chief architect in LTI Mindtree, born and brought up in Bangalore. My wife name is Ashwini. She is a housewife. I have one kid, is just going to kindergarten. When I started constructing, I never thought about a lift. So I didn't even think of a space for lift. During sickness, or like your mother is 60 plus, so sometimes she also would be needing. Then I started thinking, rethinking about lift. The foundation was done, and then I started thinking of looking for options for the lift. So what's the alternative? I was thinking, and I started looking in internet and see is there any option. Then I found about Nibav. They said within your whatever space you have left in your staircase, we can accommodate the lift. I was like thinking, oh, that's great. This one, what I found most exciting is it doesn't need a room. Somebody told me that if you have a pit below your footing, there is some issue, okay. They call it some, in some Shastra, it is not good. And it's not good for hygiene as well, right? If there is a oil, your ground floor, then obviously the oil, is hazardous to us. That is not there. Okay, having a separate room, maintaining it, that hassle is not there, and this runs on one AC kind of a box. That's it. If you fix that, that's forever. And maintenance is also very easy, and it's cost effective because it is taking very less electricity. I just double checked my electricity bill also. It's not going very high. So I felt that okay, this is the right one. Lot of people who came to my housewarming, and people around like my neighbors and all, they come and ask, what is this? They are a bit wondering, is this something I have built for beautification? Okay, they felt that it's something different. I've just for a skylight I have given some thing, and I said this is a lift, and it can easily have two people can easily travel in this. So they were amazed, and then they asked what is which company runs this. I spoke about Nibav, and I also gave the contacts from Nibav. And one of my neighbor, he is badly in need of a lift because his mother is not able to walk, and he is already, he has a old house, and he wanted to see whether there is an option to have the lift installed currently by doing some small modification. He is actually talking to somebody in Nibav. I gave him all the contacts. So I'm happy to tell anybody proudly that this is a one option you can have.